Hello guys, welcome back to Tech Researchers Club. Today we dive deep into an intriguing application of technology in a case of substance smuggling across the Strait of Gibraltar. This narrow stretch of water connects Spain and Africa and is used for shipping goods from countries around the Mediterranean Sea. For over a month ago, the Spanish authorities have been carrying out an investigation on a gang that has allegedly built a semi-submersible drone which are capable of covering a whopping 30 kilometers. These unnamed vehicles were designed to carry any cargo between 150 kgs to 200 kgs to smuggle marijuana and hashish to France. So, what is this mysterious drone? Well, based on the functions, we can narrow it down to two possibilities. Number one, a remote control machine, also known as an ROUV. And number two, an autonomous machine, also known as an AUV. So what are AUVs? AUV stands for Autonomous Underwater Vehicle. They're predominantly used for operations that make it function like a submarine, and they have been deemed by naval experts as the future of submarines. Pretty interesting, right? These AUVs can be built at half the cost of a traditional submarine, and yet they promise to offer the same or even better efficiency for similar functions. Their cylindrical body and torpedo shape is seen as the best compromise between size, usable volume, hydrodynamic efficiency, and ease of handling. Well, moving on to sensors. The AUV houses sensors that help it to navigate and map the features of the ocean. The sensors used vary from compasses, depth sensors, magnetometers, sonars, and to even the biological sensors like fluorometers, turbidity sensors, and even the pH measuring sensors. Well, that's it for today, my fellow geeks. See you all in the next episode of Tech Researchers Club. Thank you.